Welcome to the world of creativity with Adobe Illustrator. In this hands-on course, I'll guide you step by step from the very beginning so you can confidently bring your ideas to life. Whether you're brand new or looking to sharpen your skills, this journey is designed to be simple, practical, and inspiring.
We'll start right at the beginning, downloading and installing Adobe Illustrator. I'll walk you through the setup so you're ready to dive in without any confusion. Once inside, we'll explore the Illustrator workspace together, learning the essential tools, panels, and shortcuts that will become your creative toolkit.
Next, we'll jump into designing your very first logo. You'll see how shapes, colors, and typography come together to create a professional identity. Then, we'll experiment with abstract design, unlocking your imagination and learning how Illustrator helps you turn bold ideas into stunning visuals.
Moving forward, we'll design a bifold brochure, perfect for events, businesses, or personal projects. You'll learn layout techniques, alignment tricks, and how to balance text with imagery. And once you've mastered that, we'll take it up a notch with a trifold brochure, giving you the confidence to handle more complex designs with ease.
Finally, we'll explore Illustrator's 3D features by creating elegant ribbon designs. This lesson will show you how to add depth, dimension, and a touch of sophistication to your artwork. By the end, you'll not only know the tools, you'll have created a portfolio of projects that showcase your skills.
So, are you ready to unlock your creativity? Join me in this Adobe Illustrator course, and let's design, explore, and bring your ideas to life together. Your journey into professional design starts here.